This is really our annual meeting. We have 35,000 or so people who come to Chicago for several days, and it really seems like we take over the city. Every hotel room is booked months in advance. And we arrive here with this great sense of excitement that everyone is here, the world is here, all our members are here. And it's so essential that we communicate to each other. And we really look forward to partnering with you to communicate to the world what is going on here. We know this has become a highly covered press event. We understand that in the last few years this has become the #1 event for the week on Twitter. And we're just excited that that happens, and a lot of it comes through the work that you all do. So as you all know, ASCO is the premier scientific meeting venue for the cancer world, literally. A third of our members come from over 100 countries around the world. 50% of the people at this meeting are from outside the United States. This is truly an international event. Over the next 5 days, you will hear a lot about the progress that has been made over the past year in every type of cancer and every population of cancer patient, covering the full spectrum from detection and prevention of cancer to long-term survivorship of childhood cancer. So we really cover the whole gamut, and that's a large reason why there's so much interest. There are many new things going on in this meeting that we haven't done before. There's a symposium on global health. We're having a keynote speaker from a healthcare economist from Harvard Business School. These are things that we are exploring because we see there's a need that needs to be addressed, and that's our society, what it does. It just goes where the needs are. We think that one of those is understanding how to make use of data, and that we can accelerate our progress by learning how to use data more wisely. The data, a lot of that data is going to be presented for the first time at the ASCO annual meeting. But it's not so much the data, it's the opportunity to think about that data and to discuss that data, to have the world's experts here at one time to hear and really learn from that makes this meeting so valuable. That's why people come. And that ability to transform data into knowledge is one of the themes of this meeting, transforming data into knowledge and then knowledge into true learning that actually impacts patient care and improves the lives of patients with cancer. So our theme that I picked was Illumination and Innovation, Transforming Data into Learning, to try to express that, what we do here over the next several days. Increasing the pace of progress, of course, will bring us closer to our goal of conquering cancer, but it's something that we know that we can't do by ourselves. And we know that we need the help from not only physicians, but also patients, funders, and many others in the entire, what is now often called the ecosystem, to bring together. So I'm pleased to announce today that the city of Chicago has joined us in this effort. We've been coming here for several years, and they've now embraced this concept. And so they're helping our Conquer Cancer Foundation launch our $150 million fundraising campaign, which we will start at this meeting. The city generously has supported us. You'll see banners throughout bus stops and places like that. We've had engaged a retailer community. The Chicago Cubs had honored us. Dr. Penley, one of our doctors, threw out the first pitch on Wednesday. And really, it's a large part of our organization's understanding that we just can't be doctors. We have to engage the world, and the world is patients, it's healthy people, it's the entire community, and that's one of the messages we're trying to develop. In the coming days, you'll see Chicago buildings and landmarks will be illuminated in orange. This is an orange tie. I think it's orange. I thought it was orange. In support of our Conquer Cancer Foundations, whose defining color is orange. And many of the restaurants and businesses will be supporting us as well. We're also honored that several prominent Chicagoans, including Desiree Rogers, chair of the Choose Chicago Board of Directors, and herself, a breast cancer survivor, and other local leaders have joined the Conquer Cancer Foundation's fundraising drive. These dollars that are raised through this campaign will be used to fund the breakthrough research that you all will be hearing in a few minutes and over the next few days. It would also help us connect physicians and patients and provide them the latest information about treating cancer. And it will help us develop programs to improve the access to higher quality cancer care. So all in all, this is a very exciting time in our field, as again reinforced by the progress you'll hear at this meeting. The Foundation's support is critical to ASCO's mission in achieving the possibilities of illumination and innovation that lie before us. Critical to transforming data into learning more rapidly so we can accelerate the pace of progress and ultimately achieve cures for cancer. Thank you.